It takes 20 years to build a reputation, and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Look at market fluctuations as your friend, rather than your enemy. Profit from folly, rather than participate in it. Markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Accepting losses is the most important single investment device to ensure the safety of capital. The hard part is discipline, patience and judgment. In reality, no one knows what the market will do. Trying to predict it is a waste of time, and investing based upon that prediction is a speculative undertaking. I always define my risk, and I don't have to worry about it. Hope is a bogus emotion that only costs you money. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. I know this will sound like a cliché, but the single most important reason that people lose money in the financial markets is that they don't cut their losses short. All you need is one pattern to make a living. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Patterns don't work 100% of the time. But they are still critical, because they help you define your risk. If you ignore patterns and focus on hunches, feelings, and hot tips, just forget about achieving consistency. It's okay to be wrong. It's unforgivable to stay wrong.